In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a noise, gradient, image, picture, or effect in Adobe Photoshop CC completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, once you have your image or file loaded on Adobe Photoshop CC, click on the bottom right hand screen or the third option, and then under this option, you want to scroll up and click the second option where it says gradient. And this is what we have by default. But if we were to pull up the gradients window, we can click the drop down arrow for gradients, and you can see we have a list of different gradients. And this is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.